Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to save a reel on Facebook. So let's get started. So if you want to save a reel on your Facebook, now to save it, what you have to do is just simply open up your Facebook application, and after opening up your Facebook you will find TV shaped icon. What you have to do is just simply tap on it. So that is your video. So just simply tap on that option, and after tapping on that option, now you just have to tap on reels, which you can find in the top of your screen. Just tap on reels, and over here you will find all the reels. And now if you want to save a reel, then what you have to do is just simply tap on the three dotted icon which is on the bottom right. After tapping on that, now you'll find an option which is save reels. Just tap on save reel and you have successfully saved it. So just simply go ahead and then save a reel. Just tap on the three dotted icon and then tap on save reel, and after doing that you have successfully saved this reel. Now to check all the saved reels, what you have to do is just simply tap on the profile icon which is on the top right. After tapping on the profile icon, from here you just have to scroll down and then tap on saved, and inside your saved you will find all the saved reels. You can just simply go ahead and then tap on it, and then you can check the reels that you have saved. So that's it guys, this is how to save reels on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.